That's the destination, way up there. This is a beautiful hike. They said it was going to be approximately 40 minutes to an hour, and it's a little over 1 mile long. That gives you an idea of the terrain as well, because it's taking that long to go such a short distance. There is an observation post at 1,718 feet above sea level, which is the highest point in the British Virgin Islands. Is that a fig tree?
That's a fig tree.
Is it really?
Fig tree.
Huh, that's beautiful. Lots of lots. Okay, I will be able to.
So we sped up. Yeah, you keep going.
This is a mahogany tree.
Yeah. 60 years young.
Always looking where you're placing your feet. There's a lot of tripping hazards as you come down the hill. There's a lot of big steps, like the one my son just jumped down. There's another one that's about a 1 foot drop. So this tour is definitely not for people that don't like hiking and being active. Huge leaf. Huge leaves above your head too, Charles.
Cotton tree.
Silk cotton tree?
Cotton, a soft name for a rough tree like that.
The trails are very well marked with these signs. However, I recommend you stay with the tour guide because they're very knowledgeable of the area. Thank you.
All right, you guys can grab a
Complimentary drink.
There's a rum punch.
Thank you.
All right.
That's the booth. That's the store right there where you get your drink. High five for the guide. Awesome guide. Awesome guide.
All right.
Is the punch all alcoholic?
This is rum punch.
Rum punch?
This is limeade. This is water.
Limeade or water, Shell?
May I please have this one, please? Thank you very much.
I'll take the punch, please.
There you go, sir.
Oh, here you go.
Just drop it.
Oh, throw it in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
That is actually St. Thomas, United States Virgin Islands out there. So that is where you'll be taking all night to get to tomorrow.